Yo guys, what's going on? It's the Jones Man back at ya, and welcome to my little 3 or 4 part series of our journey to Finland. So yes, on Wednesday we're off to Finland. Today is Monday, so we're off to do our cardio as per usual, which is now 45 minutes. And then we're off to Nan today, which is where my grandparents live. Well, I'm off to there to meet up with the fam who arrived on Saturday from Australia. So I'm gonna catch the train up there, which is a couple hours, and then we're off to Manchester tomorrow and Helsinki on Wednesday. I can't wait. Can't really fathom how cold it's gonna be. It's a real winter wonderland. I've never been that cold before. However, at least I'm kind of halfway. The fam's come from Australia, which is like 30 degrees. And we're going to go to Rovaniemi, which is sitting about minus 25. So, not my first choice to go to a cold place. Go north in the winter, I guess. I'd much rather go south, to like south of Spain or something. But I thought, while we're over here, why not go to a real winter wonderland? So, enjoy guys. We're going to go smash some cardio and get on with the rest of our day. Alrighty guys, we're good to go to the train. Got a haircut the other day, so I'm looking nice and fresh for Finland. The bags are packed and we are ready to go to the train station. And for the start of our journey to Finland, let's go. Here we are, we've made it to Manchester, dropped our bags off at the hotel, and now we're off to catch a train to Manchester City. And here we are on the tram, ready to go. As you can see, it's a lovely British day. It's rained. It is an absolute horrid day outside, so we're walking around the supermarket. Me and Rubes gonna go for an upper workout, mate? And then we're gonna do some bowling, get some dinner, get ready for the flight tomorrow to Helsinki. Let's go. There we have it guys, workout done Rubes, upper session, how'd it go mate?
Tough actually.
Tough?
Did a lot.
Yeah, it was like 2.5 hours, but all done now. So now we're off to find Mum and Ellie for 10-pin bowling. Rubes is gonna get hammered in bowling. No, you're getting smashed.
No.
Strikes all around for the Jones man. Choked. No good, boys. Rubes is the pool champion.
there we have it, guys. 10-pin bowling done. Rubes, do you want to read us out the placings, please, mate? Who was first?
I want to talk about it.
I don't think we can remember.
And who was in last place? Ellie, can you remind us? Big Rubes. Now, we're off to Nando's, cheeky Nando's, to grab a feed and back to the hotel. Ready for Helsinki tomorrow. B-roll. Alrighty guys, we have made it to the hotel, ready to call it a day. And I think I'm going to conclude this episode of part 1 of the series of the journey to Finland right now. So tomorrow morning we'll be back and off to Helsinki. So thanks for watching part 1, and I shall see yous in the next one.